Hello friends, welcome you all to my YouTube channel English Language Guruji. Today I came up with another unboxing video. Actually, this is the phone Nokia 3310 and it bought by my friend Professor Nagesh Kale sir, and I have requested him to do the unboxing of his mobile phone. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Amazon has a good packing, and here you can see the box of the phone. This is the bill, and you can look at the phone. It looks very pretty. It is small but very pretty phone, very beautiful phone. And here you can see Nokia 3310 dual SIM. The laughing leaves are there. And here are some features of this phone. A Nokia 3310 dual SIM phone have a 2 megapixel camera with LED flash, and it has a good battery. It stand up to 22.1 hours to 25.3 days talk time or standby time, and it has an operating system Snake which is preloaded in it. It also features FM radio and it has a support of micro SD card, and you can put here up to 32 GB micro SD card. It has a micro SIM slot. So this is the box. Now I am getting the phone out of this box. Here you see. Nice packaging from Nokia. This is the phone. So let me see what else in the box. And here is the charger. A normal charger, maybe the 5-volt charger, and Nokia also provides earphone. So it is a normal plastic earphones, and it has a good quality. Let me put it back, and the battery. Battery is a 1200 mAh, and this is the guide, quick guide of Nokia 3310. So okay, let me put it outside and insert the battery in the mobile. Back cover is a little bit hard. So this is the battery, and I am going to insert it now like this. And here is a SIM card slot. So you can put here one single SIM, here one SIM, and here is another SIM. So there is a 2 SIM you can use in this phone. So battery you have to put like that. this, and then you have to put the cover. So now I'm going to start the phone. So you can see I got some haptic feel, and I recall the old phones when such kind of phones were very popular. You can see the now the automatically setting up the automatically. I will select English. Okay, I will select the Marathi language, and then okay, I will do it after some time. And here is the task menu of the screen of this phone. So here is the menu, and you can see a lot of applications are there. So I really recall the old days, the 10 years ago. These phones of Nokia were very immensely popular phones. I love it. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get such kind of videos. And please like it and share to your friends. Thank you very much.